Hi, I'm David from Crosby Volkswagen in Kitchener. I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about our sunroof drain cleaning service. The sunroof assembly has gutters going all the way around to catch the water that gets by the sunroof glass. The water then makes its way to the drains on the corners of the sunroof housing under the glass, where it flows down plastic tubes inside the body of the vehicle, draining out onto the ground. Unfortunately, sunroofs typically start leaking when one or more of the drains gets plugged up. This allows rainwater to back up inside the sunroof assembly, eventually overflowing and leaking inside the vehicle. Crosby VW offers a sunroof drain cleaning service where our Volkswagen certified service technicians will take an in-depth look at what exactly is causing the water leak before performing the repair. Some of our more common causes for drain water leaks are items such as leaves, bugs, or snow. It is recommended to clean your sunroof drains at least once a year so you can keep the interior nice and dry for the up and coming showers. For more information or more service options available to you and your Volkswagen, give us a call or visit us online at crosbyvw.com.
Volkswagen.